some people have some things what me I go share with you know. And we have a question for ask E-Vany. You see me I say because by now everybody knows say E-Vany they back on TikTok. You know what I mean? She said she reach back her place. Me no know where she did come from. You know what I mean? But she dey back on TikTok. Seeing and she said some things like she has said she not in the whole heap of passa again. And you know what I mean? Big her up for that. You see it. So me just want to ask one question and we're gonna get into that. You know what I mean? And also my people, Rosalie and the girl where the two of them kick off over candy money. You go see them on live a chat and a talk about wagwan in the candy situation. And me telling you a long time ago, say these people where you see on TikTok, when you see them kick off, by a little bit from that, and them same one you go see back on TikTok. You see me? So Candy and Rosalie kick off, you know, on a deal. So Rosalie link back up with the woman. So me I go share that and give you my opinion upon that scene. And boy, my people, the people them over down live, them come for your RT boss wicked. You know what I'm saying? When anything are go on and things are talk about anybody on social media, you go have people who are defend them, and you go have people who are talk the things them. You see me I say? And it come like say them people yeah, we go over down live is like some people where maybe them not like RT boss or them are pre-wagwan and them have for them opinion upon with RT boss go on with, right? Because the other day upon Bling Alive, Blinga say she has stand up with the RT boss scene, but when it did come to Spice baby father, she did a help kinda put him down. You see me I say? So the people them I say, how come you stand up with the RT boss and you did a put down a next person? Right? We are gonna share that. And also my people, cheese bring a man upon our life. We come talk some things about RT boss. Me don't know what to say about it. I want to tell me what to think. And cheese also show a youth upon our life. Say him are the youth where RT boss do whatever. You know what I mean? But me no know if me I go show him on the live. Upon this, me no know if me I go show him. Maybe. See? So me could get into it, people, and we're gonna kick it off with the people them over cheese.
When me hear say RT boss, I gonna say him don't know me. Oh, you nothing don't know me, dada. You come at E-Vany Road down a Towile, down a Mother Nadine yard. Come tell Mother Nadine say our neighbor a F off. Him own daughter. You forget all of them the mix up there. You come at Tower, he'll come cast. You forget all them the problem the way you make man want kill. Because you come talk to the man at RT boss. Come on, dada. Another question, RT boss. You don't remember Omar? The little school boy in the uniform where you like for you always a message for send credit come give.
What?
Yeah? RT boss, my neighbor.
Who you finna know your neighbor?
Tell me, no man of him neighbor, my neighbor.
Your neighbor. See.
Yeah. So since as him don't know me, so you don't know Alice, you don't know Mother Pat, you don't know Mother Nadine. So how me know you? You know say Omar was a schoolboy, no more than 50. So Omar was a school.
My son really a
You don't add nobody else. Moderator no add nobody else.
So RT boss, me want you to come at me, you know, because you behave like say I lie me at. I mean no lie at RT. I don't do them thing there, brother. You left from Spanish Town after you look me and your sister you know get me, you start to look the little boy. Your sister little boy nah pay you no mind. You know where the man do? So the same girl where the man tells the spirit tell him say I'm a woman. The man go back to the girl and go tell the girl say your husband you know but him no want a woman in a man him want. RT boss start look the girl you know. The same woman in her mother Nadine, the boy come there heavily loaded, you know. Boy come there with a spell harder on a man. And the boy come there and the goat skin jump and knock, you know. And when they miss a boy, him a go on like say, man, look at Indian girl and him a go on and him a wind up and him a go on, you know. When
That's the RT.
rise up, you know, yeah, man.
Yeah.
Him love grung, you know. When spirit lick him love God grung, you know. Spirit lick him, man, in got grung, man. Spirit drop him, man, he ever got grung. Cause them go on like them a man and them a big river, them a big fish. You understand? And them go on, them a every other nation except fish. Now when the man to say my little friend and my little friend now give him the chat, the man start look Mother Nadine. Then the man start tell the woman to run me. And me a ban. And me a put argument to him. Me. I put argument to RT Boss. We don't have nothing. Me meet Nardo. Me tell you something, me meet Nardo Smith. Me never know if he did know Spice because he did look broke and cranny. Never have nothing. Them time they love wear slippers. I be a slippers in that way. Everybody you see where I fish. For you see them in that dress up on them in that slippers, you know so them a fish. Remember back in them days there?
Me, I always remember.
When you see man in a certain type of thing, you see them in a certain type of slippers, you know say, yeah man, fish that man. Now the man come at tower and the man Costa come tell everybody say me a bat. Now you as a big pastor, you will walk and read people, you will say you walk and read people.
Hold on. Yeah, stay mute. Yeah, carry on as a big pastor.
You understand? Me come to your church, me not come for you do no spiritual work for me. Me just come support you, that's all. And because you look a bottom and me not give me bottom. Your intention is to have me kill.
Wicked man, a same stay, a same put fear in the youth, the fifth boy. Right now, the boy I want that, but him afraid of RT. RT check mother, RT check him. Guys, this is no joke. We're not playing with you, RT boss. If nobody playing with you, I ain't playing with you. The wrong truck, you don't lie on people's name. And then in real life, you is the truth. Like, you is the one who do them things. So why would you want to put that on people? I'm not playing with you though. Real talk.
Yes.
People, when you hear me, I tell you, say, you see, when you hear on social media, when you don't take it like say, when you know, say, I saw it go. These people on social media, them take everybody for fool, you know. You see me I say, and most of them good. You hear me say? This is like some kind of movie. I saw them do them thing. You see me I say, me not say, no go so what them I say about RT boss, you know. But you see that man here, we come on, you know, and him attack, it's hard to believe him. Me not say a lie, I tell. But don't take everything you wanna hear on social media and say yes, I saw it go. You know what I mean? them people take on for food. You see me? I remember I have the question for ask E-Vany. So ask E-Vany, I'm gonna share a little bit where she come out and say. So make a watch some more people.
Man. RT boss go on and me telling you something, I don't even understand, you know. And not everybody people attracted to, you know. And some people not really attracted to people physically. Them attracted to where them are. And RT are one of them people. It's where you have things in one summer way you have. How me can I say so much things and you gonna say so much people, you gonna say you don't know me, dada? You dig your own a grave. What you mean say you don't know me?
Boy, him don't know you. And that hurt me. You know the man.
Oh, you
See him
mean
a
say you
kill
don't know
you.
me, RT?
You know the picture with your name.
What me have the picture with me? Just
You
tell us
say me
because
sorry if you did have picture with your name, you could have killed.
Through them take
I
my
tell you.
phone. When me got jail, them take my phone and through the murdering, you know?
Oh.
Yeah, them say them go on pan for evidence and blah blah blah. Me not get
Wish if them police they could have run that all now, you die.
Unalive. Use the word unalive.
Yeah, you the unalive for true.
Me have that phone that he could have given me a chat.
But me not cut your bend. Me know I'm free now because I come from that side. That's why I come up in the box. Because I want to hear what I go and come. Come from that side there. And that's where me originate from. So me
No,
tell
a
listen.
RT today, Precious, a RT I get deal with today. We can't distract him off of nothing. A RT I get sort out. So you say him send, alright, and when him comes up boom and him throwing him shot, and him look and thing, and him never get you. As him look at so him change number, him just send a would pick.
No man, what kind of would pick man? Just some man. What up on phone? What kind of would pick? What up on phone and chat man? Them time they that Jamaica, you know. When you do certain things, you just send picture and you know you delete. I
Right,
remember say, you know, you have to, you know, nobody come tell us, say, yo, make me search your phone.
right.
So you have your phone and you have to build one little secret, little something and you hide it and hide up and all them little weird there.
Mm-hmm.
So even when you hear me attack, there are people with picture who have naked picture of me. There's people who have porn. You understand me I say?
Right.
I was never the person who is afraid for drop my jaws and show you anything.
Mm-hmm.
You understand? So a man said to me, say, yo, I want to see you days. I don't mind if you say the ass. Because I remember I said, down there, son, everybody I try to protect themselves.
Oh, if you send a picture like that to a person and don't know them, you might get mad.
Look here.
Get
The
mad
man
at
can't
me.
come with no cheese. You hear the man attack me. The man can't come with no mere people attack about because of spice and ray.
Not because of no spice. I believe you 100%, bro. I'm telling you that. You know why? I know about you before you even come on the media. Brother, see my phone here, I'm going to show you the day how long I have the fucking
You
picture
know, I
here in my
remember when you
phone.
said to me, say, yeah, you know, if I mean name so and thing. Yeah, because the
I'll
name
show
of
you.
the cover first was Moody.
Alright. Picture there. See picture here. This is a picture here in a mind for April 13. April 13. April 13, 10:26 a.m. Yeah, in a real life. You know, I can't bother move RT did the blood clot picture now.
So him need to come nose, him need to come out and come address this. This as him love keep quote.
Right, and that me talk about. Only one keep
rolling.
quote on them something there. I want to know blood clot address this. Wanna stop play with me in a real life. Oh dear Uno. Wanna get that from? Where it come from?
Alright, so people, I'm gonna show you a little part of the youth where she say him RT boss whatever, but me not gonna show him a whole, you know what I mean, me just gonna show part time.
In a real life, little boy ain't nice. If you go a dirty RT boss, and the people them where support you, them is 10 times worse than you. Yeah,
Hold on.
you just take him down, you know. Come and never like this upon the nice little boy, bumbuck like you take little boy and go trouble him back. I have to take him down, guys. No disrespect. You see me? 'Cause to be honest,
If him
just
need,
the boy all follow me and from reach out but to him about the artist of him and follow me.
yeah, you have to understand in a cheese. It's very traumatic in a cheese. It's even though you see me up here start talk and the seat
No,
hard.
can me see you yesterday, no?
It's hard to deal with. It's very hard. No matter how much you go therapist, no matter how much people talk to you, no matter how
Can't
much
tell
people
me.
you
Not
to,
afraid for sure. Come want to come out.
and even if you hear me talk about
Him they know, so it's not nothing.
the man where hold me up at 16. Yeah? And
Like if Vino could try to reach out to him because he's scared as shit. He's 24 now and he's
Hey,
scared.
girl, come on from my page and go suck your mother. Me asking
this is what I
questions.
was saying. Because I have right now, I have
Any girl have a problem with me showing the pictures, go suck on the mother. Now, una uphold with this.
So what him need for do, let me tell you how it works here. And I guess it probably works the same way. Report him. You see, once you put him in the system,
I did.
that are the most important thing. Put him in the system as a
Yeah, right.
He's under investigation right now.
Okay.
He acting like he don't know. He don't, and even if he don't know yet, I tell him publicly that I got confirmation. And from November, when I first spoke about it, I made a federal report because it's several states involved.
Okay. He will. Let me tell you something now. It's, see green, it don't go. It might take long for deal with because the people them want to know. So when them deal with it, it's
they might do the right thing, true.
You understand? 3 years now, me away from
Trying to tell everybody as well. Patience.
3 years.
I'm so sorry, but I had to do what I have to do. I'm so sorry, bro. I'll make it up to you. If you even want to slap me in the face, I'll take that shit. But I had was to do
man. No, him need for
no.
know.
I tell you that. Even though I'm not going to do it, but I tell you, if it mean that much to you, I would take it, bro.
You're not alone, bro.
Sorry, I have to do this because I'm a play victim on the media. And the people them for understand we not make up nothing. We have a screenshot of things where the little boy say why Momo them bringing blood clot business out the road. What doing the brother?
From November, me sit down at
what doing the brother? A serious thing, brother.
And them sit down on the
little boy. I don't want a boy touch boy. What doing the man?
If me get so much beaten and me have evidence and I play a recording and I play a message.
Oh yeah. We don't really know what go on.
If you man get a black, I'm never yes the rules. Man get a black. You have an argument over here, so.
So Momo, it's the same story with the same guy with cheese I talk about.
Yep. Same person, one person. He's the one I'm talking.
Yeah, man. No one's gonna report him in the system, man.
And I've been knew about it for years, Cheese, and I've been saying it to Momo.
Alright, some people, leave your opinion in the comment section. Tell me if you don't believe the man the way I say what I say. You see me I say, and the youth, you know, where Momo and Cheese them a push for do whatever. Tell me one thing about that also. Seeing and people, as I say, you see the social media thing, don't believe everything you see and hear. Seeing, so we are going at the Rosalie and the woman thing, you know, and then we are going to E-Vany, Dan, and the rest of whatever. You see me I say? So make we hear what Rosalie and the woman are going with, because what the them did at each other, and now them can sit down and do life together. So make we hear, cause right now Rosalie and Candy no deal, so that me I say Rosalie and Candy no deal, so Rosalie gone back and deal with this woman here. When you soon hear the two of them kick off, but make we hear what them are going with.
Me with my lawyer at the time. And everybody I bring me down and nobody know my side. Me had the liar, me had the you know what hurt me, make me disrespect. I'm called Missy Boo a witch. Every move me make with Candy, me call Missy Boo. Every move me make me call Missy Boo. And Rosalie, you know why I say, I cuss and cuss you, because you cuss me too. A reason why I go hard in it. You there, the Sunday, the last Sunday when I go visit Candy. You there, as she says, not one buckle of water I bring. You there, I see the things them what I bring. So you when Candy say rare, you should have stand up and say no Candy. Me don't know about the other visit them where you get. But that one year where Kasha come with you when me come, it look good.
But me tell him, I have told him, talk it, never hide it. Me never said about the one buckle of water. Him ask me, I'ma tell him, when me see your buy, and him said not 30,000 or something that. What we gonna say?
That's why I just take the blame. You know what I try to save something in my phone. And it has said my phone overload. I don't know I'm going on my picture them I try to delete some and book up all of the receipt then. About 4 receipts. 4 times to 5 times Mr. send my money. And I can name the money then. Coming an idiot. The first money she sent me at 39,000 when Candy just get locked up. The next day she sent me $100. Well, how many $100 I get 15,000 at? You know, MoneyGram give you the right money. When Western Union give you 13,000, MoneyGram give you 15. The next money she sent me get 22,000. Add. The last money she sent at 30,000 when me and Rosalie go visit Candy. And then after that, she sent the 12,000 odd dollar. Seven for putting in my pocket. She said, Rocky girl $50, can me beg Rocky $50. She said, Rocky girl $50, and she put some upon it for me. So me end up get $12,000. She said, for put that in my pocket.
Let me ask you a question. Hold on, let me ask you a question. Let me ask you a question. The last one at 30,000. 30,000 flat and some change.
Yeah.
Okay.
Me have all one screenshot there, God, good enough.
More, you know, hello.
Me have all one something on my phone with the $100 there when I say thanks.
You don't have to shout, because I can see where this, I can, all the way I say, me not suffer fool. So that means all along when she say, I pay 30,000 like I get a week time, because Mr. Candy now get 30,000.
Not getting 30,000, you understand what money me get? The first, I must then the receipt I show with my name. Come find my receipt then. The first receipt she sent me is 39,000. The 9th of April. The nether money she sent me $100. So that's why I visit Candy say, okay, now look a bit at some of them here. I say $100, Mr. Boo send me. She have my money. Make sure you give me money. More enough things. I say, Candy, it's not your yard you're there. Talk to your moderators about that. The next money she sent me at 22,000 odd. The last money, nether money she sent me pertaining Candy at 30,000 odd. 30,200 odd. And the next money she sent me, through Rocky Girl, the $50 for give me, she give me 12,000 odd. 5 receipts with Mr.
Well, you said I receipt that with the 30,200 odd. I have the receipt that on my phone, you know.
But say I'm find the receipt them.
No, you're not lying. You have the receipt that on my phone.
But I find them. I know why hurt me.
I realize that somebody in the category of that part, yeah, I do one story, I tell me one story, and I put one story in my head, and that's why them say it's inside to a story. Because you never know, say, she not get 30,000 life a week.
No!
Visit.
The first 39,000 she give me when Candy get the lock up. The second
Alright people, it good to see them can come around and you know what I mean talk about whatever. You see me? But you hear Rosalie I agree with her, you know, and I say okay, whatever. But when Rosalie and Candy did good, Rosalie did a cuss her. You see me I say? So me feel like say because Rosalie and Candy not good, you know, that's why Rosalie kinda, you know what I mean, can deal back with she. You see me? So people, you know, enough time when you see people on social media and them a cuss and whatever, you know what I mean? You know, nobody take it up on your head certain way. You see it? So, wanna make me know what you think in the comment section, because now the woman I say, cause I go hear some more things, you know, cause she I say she can't right now she can't find all of the things them of the money where she get for him, and back then when the cousin did a go on, she never have them. You see me? So make we hear some more, my people.
30 line money she give me, and when me come pick up you for the visit. Me not have to lie, me never call her yet and tell her pay me for go visit. Never. Me tell her I will do it.
And as I'm draft up Mr. Boy so she has state that's I'm block her from a platform, I block her on my phone.
Me block her from me call her and me say listen to Mr. Boy. When all them allegations are draw against me, why you can't step up as a big woman? Cause listen to me, the whole of candy moderators them are pure big woman. So Uno, if you make him know same as a child to Uno, listen to me. If ever, alright, give him the benefit of the doubt for say me thief him money. Listen me Candy, if Kasha even thief your money, remember she still visit you. You're never in the jail without a visit. Every Sunday, your name call. So me know. So that's why I say you're a witch. You're a crocodile. And then the bloggers, everybody, me wicked, me a thief, and no taxi man now take 30,000. What they mean by it? A morning to night, the man up on the road with me and my niece and him.
Kasha, I believe that it was just a misunderstanding with three big women with peer mix up on yourself. That is what got us from the whole of a story. Because she'll tell me something, then she'll tell you something, then she'll tell him something, then all of we are just a chat, and it don't make no sense. Nobody now come together and say, okay, we go find a conclusion. And she'll tell me every week she send you 30,000. She'll tell him every week she send him 30,000, and then every week he get 30,000. That's why you're gonna look like a thief. Because you now get 30,000. But true, you don't, if you always when you hear certain things, if you always learn to investigate. Because if
but when me ask the Rosalie, she a show receipt. She a show receipt. All of them receipt, they will show 30,000 on them.
She tell me, she not show one receipt she sent me with 30,000 flat and some change. I have it on my phone.
$30,200.
Flat with some change. She said that she sent gonna be cash out. So she estimated like all of the wisdom we're going to do for Candy at that amount of money she send. That's what she tell him say. You can't blame him. You cannot blame him. You can't blame him none at all. You can't blame him. Because so like I say, cash every week we so have some money if you give the person. And you know you not get that. You are gonna take the same way too. So the whole behind this big shenanigans, I just one thing that everybody can find from. And Missy Booker, she's not truthful. She's a snake. I'm get to observe her very much well and find her out. So she back her.
He turned to me and said, Kasha, Missy Boo said she give a liar 30,000 US for come to Q&A. Is that so? I say, Candy, you cannot ask me that. You are not have to deal with that. I don't know. I don't know.
If she gotta take fee money, them beg with a team. So when them come on, them know say, when John Lewis circle him gonna send him one universe, catch them gonna send him one universe. Gonna bunch there, him know say, Tom Tizara Simpson, I gonna shoot them the whole ground. That's all me I say. Never tell nobody don't play no match. I was saying you wait until you have a team. You don't need to already get Kasha.
Yeah, but me just see that state team never play no match. Can the people them come shoot for me?
Come on TikTok, come play a match. When people not willing, see, send them 500 like cash up. When the match after nice and them want to see you win, them willing to recharge and they want to send come gain a shooting. And it add up with everybody own and somebody you get something. That is what I said to you. I never ever give no impression that I never want to see you win. So the whole of stories and stories and stories and you coming at me and me going at you, me not see that necessary. You understand? Me not see that we all have said things. Me not got to tell myself, say, me still not say I'm innocent.
It's a good look, my people, to see the two of them can come around and talk about things, you know. You see me, that's why you see them say Eerie says a thing, you know what I mean? So you have to really know things. You can't say because somebody said this, whatever. You see me, cause can they say, look like say she you know what I mean, give him all of the money. It look like say she had take a thing outside and she come on her life already, say she take a thing outside. You saw me I say, but the money where Candy did think she did get, it look like she never did get that the money there. You saw me I say, but maybe she had to, I know maybe she had tell him say that she get when him think is more money him get. You see me I say? So Rosalie they on Candy side because Rosalie Candy maybe I tell Rosalie whatever. You see me? So I saw it go and then Rosalie and she kick off. You know what I mean? So you have to know where you are the more while people. We are gonna watch a little more of this and then we are gonna go over to Dan and then E-Vany. You see me?
As a woman, we all say things that...
Yeah, Rosalie, but if you're willing to talk the truth, because you say we are big people, and we are reason now, you say we are big people. You say we are big people. Remember say all the disrespect we start, and you started for me, And you first start class me, You know me there for my life. And Destiny tell you say me I bring you down. And you don't ask me. Remember you have my number, me have your number. You don't ask me. Me don't go hear you there on Destiny live a class. Me never been there yet.
I have seen
somebody in the comments say Kasha, Rosalie a class. You see when me see the live. Me say me not answer.
Kasha, me not gonna just come bring her down. So me's not that type of person. Me's a
Rosalie, but that you do.
Kasha, I will never do that.
So how class in me come about? How class in me come about?
He screen a card with you as a something about me. And he was
no. I know so go Rosalie. Remember you say we are big people. So come truthful now. The class start. The class is...
That's the truth. I have seen a screen card where you're saying something about me. My people in here know me from the longest time in the year.
Rosalie,
never do that. Never.
Rosalie can't see. Rosalie can't see. When you come out and say, Candy say me thieving money, and that's what the class is starting up.
Yes, because I have seen the screener card where you were.
You can't see the screener card. Remember me just hang you up. I tell you say Candy send fee bag. Remember me just hang you up, tell us I can't send for the bag. So all my fear class up on a screen record. Make the people them say, Rosalie, I bring you down. I'm say me not go follow Rosalie, Cause I always like her. And we are hustler. We are from the ghetto. So me not go answer. I always like her, so me not go answer. That was my response first. And then after that, you come up in the box and you play a match.
You tell me about class of Kasha?
Yeah, man, you're destiny.
No.
My pussy big. My forgot beard. Kasha can't call your name.
No. No, Kasha. Them time the long after me play a match. No, Kasha, no. I never said nothing about your Kasha.
What's that here?
I never.
You see the night when you come on and say I bet $100 to somebody. So buy underpants can be a marina. I call Missy Boy ask her if she tell you for beg it. She said no. Then we go up on Destiny. After Destiny I talk the things there. Then Destiny start class with. Then Destiny go up and I pick them. Me never hear it on the screenshot. Somebody send me. Then we go back live on class Destiny. Then Destiny call you and tell you say you want to hear a Kasha chat about you. And that was a lie. Then time they kick the bucket and start class.
Kasha, me can't kick the bucket and start class and then still go play match with you.
Yeah, that's why the people them did not tell us why you do that.
Me don't know where you get that from, but listen, me can't kick the bucket in a class, yo, and then I send you a match. And me kick the bucket in class, yo. When we done, you go your direction and me go mine.
No, you know why you send me the match? Because you are you alone class, me never answer you.
No. Kasha, you not listen, Kasha, listen. I don't need to lie. If me say something about you, I mean know say me say something about you, me not play no match with you. Me not care who. If Mr. Roger go suck your mother, and me decide say me run with Roger, me not send Roger no blood clot request. That's just an example. If me kick the bucket with you, me not send no request. Cause me agitate him. I saw me up my mouth.
No, Rosalie, remember we have cut some before that.
Kasha, we weren't arguing. The story was about visit. Kasha, we can't cuss before that because when me and you play a match, then we go visit Candy. So we never did argue, none at all. We never did argue, none at all. And when me play the match, most of the week after, my dear master send me a number. Oh, we get a number from Missy Boo. I said, we go look at Candy. Listen. We couldn't come sit down and class you and have the audacity to send you live. No people, block the people out of the comment section. We couldn't have them the audacity to sit down and class you and send you a live match or sit down and play stuff. Like we are stooge and we not say nothing. And the other way are human being and feelings hurt.
Alright, my people. So, you hear the woman say Rosalie start with her fuss. You see me? So, it look like say Candy I tell Rosalie thing. And Rosalie just take what Candy I say and start. You know what I mean? So, wanna make me know what you think in the comment section, my people. Alright, so me I end the part there. So, we are gonna go over down, you know, and hear what the people they must say about RT boss. You see me? Because right now everybody I give it to RT boss, you know. Me not lie. So make we hear what the people they must say.
Cheese and her baby far. And although Cheese can't find the woman to clear her name, we not clear female neither. Because we know say a fabricate and pay for that lie. Him a wicked. They clicking on your bumbo boy. You give as good as you take.
I mean him touch your whole take, make him take clicking on him ras. I want here. Nobody not sorry for him. Everybody I run back him. You see, look how it's funny, you know. You see when him and I mean, you see when him ready to bring down people, him bring down everybody and nobody can say nothing. Everybody come like them after just come off the internet when him bring them down. So why when people attack you now you have a problem? Why when a man come out come say you is this, you have a problem? No, you have to call Dan and talk about Dan for Guffey. One spice, bring the youth come forward. More from you, sir.
And thanks to the gift, guys. Stop on the rest of Auntie Dan. Help me with the live goal. Help me clear up the live goal. Bless up on yourself.
Well, I'm telling you, for go from here, sir. Everything we are talk on the internet, we are bust out for him. It is true. At first, we see RT per live till 2 o'clock last night. 2 o'clock last night, we see RT per live. We are normally RT not per live. That means that everything I talk is true.
So you try to find some backlash to cover up everything. And then the sister come talk about this and that. Most from your son take it in
Him
a
can't
rascal
sleep.
fish.
This is
Yes.
alleged. Again, this is allegedly. We no, you know, anybody can accuse you, Adriel, or something. So again, you know, I'm not defending it by mistake allegedly because we don't know. We don't
Nobody
know.
not accused, not because the video is out, spiced. That show it, and I show Wagwan and rapper carpa and read Wagwan. So what you talk about is alleged. Brother, big banks, I better you shut your mouth, yeah?
Because allegedly.
Better you shut your mouth, man.
Allegedly.
Well,
Big banks, big banks. Me I wonder why you're so quiet. You look like you pick a side. Me now pick no side. What good for the goose, good for the gander. Him there you fabricate from people and I tear down people. Peep time come now, take click in your bumble boy.
I mean, I see him do cheese. You remember how him do cheese? You not talk about that. No big bank. I never allegedly. Hey, brother,
I see him.
Come like
I don't.
party up here start talking about big banks. Lord, make him take lick in him rascal. Make the people beat out him blood clot and more things are come to. More things are come.
Yeah. Don, hello. Good evening. I want to say something real quick. Please, guys, can I just talk? And then afterwards, Don, you can let me off. Don, from day one, I always let my live. All right, this is my take on this when you went on the RT boss page. Me personally, I'm very disappointed in you going over there because it's like, yeah, try and justify for what you had said about RT and all this stuff. You don't deserve RT don't deserve no explanation from you. RT cannot even be tame. You shouldn't go over there because RT is a manipulator. He was trying to manipulate you over there just now.
Exactly.
Exactly what he's trying to do. You see me I say, but when I say, Dan, you are, let me tell you, I love you to death. You are a very nice person. You're not pick sides. You're very neutral. And that's what I like about you. And your lives, your TikToks are always good. Don't let them draw you into any pasa, no mix up. Continue the way they do. And if you try to split justice, don't even let them try and make you feel like you're the tech side.
Okay.
RT is a manipulator. He's very disgusting. It's like what RT lives, you know. But what RT I tried to draw you in, and guess what he was trying to do? He might try to
Take me down there, Dad. I just stop me the come for say. Take me down there, Dad.
Take the side at all. I mean, understand what you're going to try to do for real. You
see like how me mad at them 2 pages we gone yesterday. Them 2 pages we go yesterday. You see like how me mad. You now get to it.
Him deserve it. Anything you get if it take you. If it take you down,
everybody knows you as the peacemaker. So if he lashed out on you, Don, that means something wrong with him because normally everybody is neutral on your page. Everybody when you bring up, you make neutral. You listen to what I say. You're not in a bagger. So continue doing your good, Don, and stop. Don't make RT make your own choose side and he manipulates that, fix it or he want it. Oh, bring him here and don't pick no side and do that. That's what you normally do. So never come coach you for do nothing. Pay your life.
Dan, me I tell a point blank, RT hate you. The only reason why RT I try to swing close now is because he might go down, because he might get him beaten. I be a long time Bishop man used to used to give them willingly. Me know RT long time. At 27 years, me in a revival, so me know RT long time. I be old Bishop man used to do with RT, and RT loves straight boy. So when they with the straight boy them, the boy them now come out, come talk, say here what this happen, that they happen. RT don't like man. Him like boy act like man. So when the man they do things, he can keep down. The guy when he Bino never used to act so feminine and so whatever. He never used to show it that much. Of course, RT will come on to him. Because that's this type of guy RT like. RT like when you and him do things, it did this so. You understand? So that's how RT roll. So when you say that, I understand you say you weren't there. Well, if I understand respect, so you never did it. But I know say RT is a long time sister girl. RT is a long time sister girl. I can't tell anybody that. A long time RT I don't know.
So you say RJ him is a daughter and a ID.
A long time RT I don't know bubble off. Long time.
Alright people, so no hear what them a say. about RT boss. And we are gonna watch some more people. Tell me if you don't think so, because RT, you know what I mean, him out there now, him a do him thing. Him love the mix up. You see me I say? Him this enough people. Right? More know if you don't think so, like these people, them bad mind him or what make them a come out or not feel like say a real thing. You know what I mean? Because them been talking and saying this and that about him. But I know we not see like, you know what I mean, nothing a go on. And him come out and him say what him say. And him not look like say, him a think say nobody a go ever like come for him in nowhere. Right? Make me know wanna think if you don't feel like say people just say these things about RT if you bring him down or not feel like say a real thing. Cause me kinda appreciate, you know what I mean, something did it, but not all of them attack real thing. So make watch some more people.
Long time. Me not have to ask somebody, them can't tell. And I can call names, but just because I have respect for certain people and a whole heap of people that go down in this, we just leave it alone.
No draw nobody else in there.
No, me
No
not
draw nobody else in
but
there.
most people still living. But me tell you something. I love a whole heap of long time Bishop man used to bubble out RT, run back the round there. So when I'm back me not ask them, I can tell you that. And I can call him, because I'm not afraid. I'm telling you something. RT is no Obia man. RT don't know nothing about Obia. RT go around people and watch a people do. When you're in a, when I'm telling you this, it's when you're in a revival for a certain time, it don't matter if you can't see them have to give you a position, especially when you're in a family church. When you're in a family church, when you grow up in a family church, them all get position. So that is how RT get position. You understand? RT don't know nothing about Obia. RT don't know anything. But tell you something. You cannot be a somebody for 3 years. 3 years you be a somebody for 3 years, and you come tell me so you can't make me make money. And you one little girl can't kill 3 years. Obia them. I'm gonna start make RT make enough. You know talk. No sit in the blood clot and talk enough. RT don't know nothing about Obia. But RT moving rotten body thinking shit fuck out and way. Wanna make RT frightened, wanna talk enough talk say RT cannot do nothing. RT can't broke no coconut for nobody, cause it not go work. It not go work. Cause I know some coconut go. So make RT frightened and go buy coconut. If you can take the coconut, I make coconut drops. A lot of people go make it do I cook him Sunday dinner. I make RT frightened with coconut. But look how much coconut she buy. Whenever coconut for people, they have to go down. Them have to go down. Real people coconut for you. Anybody know about revival? When time my mother broke a coconut for you, you have to go down. 3 years RT broke coconut. Broke a coconut for you. 3 years RT broke coconut and price can't go to feel like elevate. And those price contract can't cut. You understand? And them things on the because RT move.
One at a time.
RT move and blood clot way.
Somebody, guys, we're not hearing anybody.
One at a time, guys. Mute.
Yeah.
One person.
RJ, we're not hearing your mute. Don.
Try to control the line.
Nah, some of these people just come in and they're not muting out. We cannot hear we're not hearing anybody. It's like a marketplace. So many people they're not muting their freaking mics, man.
One. Everybody can't talk at the same time.
Them just too disorderly.
They're not talking, they should mute. Look, I'm gonna mute now.
I'm gonna bust it that angle, man, lift up. Dad, I'm telling you how RT getting money. I'm telling you back to RT. RT used to deal with one certain somebody where you say, I look a young boy, them I don't know. And that RT do. And I look a young boy, them I do in a Jamaica now, and I buy this that is what RT do. You understand? That RT is not obey a man. And that RT do. And that RT get the money from. So make RT cook on trick on RT is a I don't say to me. I would have people name with a call for bringing a dirty man. But me just love him dirty blood. RT do not know nothing about Obia. RT don't know nothing about Obia. That RT do forget look of money. That is what RT do. RT do the look thing and look boy them do a Jamaica. That me know RT about while going to church and whatever the case may be. But RT don't know nothing about that.
That's how
Artie
RT
don't know nothing
can
about that.
come from.
Good afternoon, everybody.
Artie
Good
like look
afternoon,
straight body in the
Dan.
ghetto. Look about them and them and me glad I dig out stuff.
Wanna calm down, guys, one at a time. Tap up the screen and bless up the live poll. Tap up the screen and bless up
Afternoon,
the live poll,
everybody.
guys.
Dan, afternoon. What I'm saying to you, Dan, RT have to take him beat. Remember him like to beat people. So I just team 10 o'clock now. Look how him the cheese and everybody. I feel time to take him
Auntie
beat.
Dan, Auntie
Look how
Dan,
you
hold on there, blessings, hold on. Sorry for bother you. Auntie Dan, see Ben up there for your life. Him say, if I am lying, why him say him don't know me when I went to his church with 3 ladies as my witness?
What I'm saying, Dan.
No, man,
He always a beat people, so I feel time to get beat now. So I have to just take it.
So almost everybody a come out for RT boss, you know, and him having people them too, you know, nobody feel no way, you know. Him having people them too, we are different him. You saw me I say. So I want to tell me, you know what I mean, one thing about everything. Cause me have my opinion. As I say, me feel like say some of the people them where I come out and I say this and I say that, nothing no go so. But some of them me feel like, yeah, maybe something go so. You see it. So we are gonna watch some more, my people, and then we are gonna go over to E-Vany because me are gonna show you something, you know. Ask a question, want to tell me in the comment section. So we can watch some more of this, and then we go over to E-Vany.
Like him glad, and when me have to say to most I woman them, when you sit down and you listen to him and you laugh and him disrespect other people, like same thing him a go do and worse. Him a go do the same too now when you sit down and you like because if you're a man, if you disrespect woman,
just like when me tell you, no, he's a narcissist. He's very manipulative. He's very manipulative. Him gain no trust. Him gain no trust. Him learn no business, and then him use it over on the head to fear ban uno. Because if you don't do what him tell you to do, him a go expose you know. That is exactly what he does. He's a narcissist and he's very good at it.
Yes, he is, and he's very manipulating. Don't make it people side and let them be with them dirty life. God not like ugly or anything we're hiding at the dark has to come to light. I saw you go with RT, I see him where they call the people in for your life and make them bring down cheese and tell like, I said, well, you're 10 o'clock. So you have to just face the consequences and just move the other one of them there. I just got on time. Many more, anything into the dark.
Until RT come out and say, I lie myself and cheese. And say, I lie myself and cheese. Until him come out and say, I lie myself and cheese. Me nah believe nothing at all will come out of him mouth. Too lie and wicked and manipulative and love fabricate things from people. So until him come out and say that, me nah stop eating.
When you take spice story, yeah, example. When you take spice story, yeah, example.
Because of that.
Guess what happened? It's been yellow.
Alright, some people, alright, that's how we are going to end that because it get too noisy and thing. You see me? So we are going to go over E-Vany and all my people and want to ask a question. See? So, make we get into that, you know.
Vany, welcome back. Cute. I said I'm going over the taxi. What do you call over this again? The supermarket. Stop and shop. Yeah, please. All right, stay there. So, I go outside. I use my phone.
Here, hey girl.
I have to go draw money. Oh, hold on the side, guys. Pass the car.
That with cheese. And take a cheese about that.
Yes, Vany, you're pretty soon. You look like a Barbie girl.
Hey.
You came back stronger than before, girl. I don't like this for you, sister girl. I don't like this. It's just because I'm here, guys, again. That's a code.
Yeah.
Lord, you forget how to use TikTok, no?
It just, I told when they're far from the phone for a while, even TikTok, it look
Yeah.
different.
Alright, some people that heard it, we wanna say detention. Seeing E-Vany write this big thank you and all these things, and it look like say she never remember the lie. You see me I say? Because for all the time them hold on upon her, she did the in the place where them says that's not a detention place, because them say the people them will bring her go detention, them never come for her and them now go come for her. So when she write this thing, she put detention in it, and she talk about the people them where she meet in a detention, and she feel a way for them and all these things. Me I go ask on this, where was E-Vany? And that me I try show the people them say, even if E-Vany did get hold on pan, she come out the same day or couple days after. She never then know where but her place for the rest of time where them a collect money for her, and I tell the people them say this and that, and she just say in other live say whatever them send to her, it go to her people, it go to her people them where take care of our things, you know what I mean, our family thing, our two other things, see. So when me I say people, you see these people come on social media, will not believe everything when them come and tell you. You see me I say, because she never RT boss them, everybody, nobody say she did in another detention. Them say the people them did a go come for her maybe, see, and then RT boss say them now go come for her, see. So she did the right way them say them hold on upon her, seeing for the whole time. So them never come for her and bring her gone to detention. So them a tell lie and them don't know how to follow through with them lie. You see me? That I just when me have to say which part she did that. So all of the people them where I say she did that wherever she said she did that, you know answer that question there for me. You see me? Because even what day me see her on live, the same live see you know me I show no, she even say she did that place there where them hold on upon her first. It wasn't a detention, nothing she said. So when I make me know want to think the people, me I go make you watch some more of this, and then me I go end it.
It even look different.
So how you doing, girl? You look so nice. Somebody echoing.
Queen, but I'm not see her nada. Saski baby, I see you. Hi guys. Why am I glad? Me come out. Me glad freedom. Why freedom nice?
Freedom is a must.
Freedom nice, guys. Freedom nice. You know, I'm telling you something. I'm gonna stay up on the street. It's horror. Walk on the street is lime. But I appreciate. I would like a foreign friend that said miracles. When am I gonna really accept the answer now? And the views, you see that make sure I come in. The views. Why everybody mute?
Wait till Ice.
Ice asleep.
Ice is sleeping.
E-Vany!
I'm not gonna show Ice on the Hi. Me not gonna put him up in the camera again like that.
Okay.
I'm still echoing. One of me gone because them say me still a echo. Me don't know what going with my phone. Me still a echo, guys.
Me still a echo.
Oh, me?
Alright, give me a chat now.
Yes,
Vany,
ma'am.
what you free now? Listen to me now. Hey, I'm so happy you're back. Listen to me. Listen to me. Me no do no TikTok fry, you're gone. And you see, since you come back, you just make me day. I tell her, yo, everybody on TikTok, the amount of page will block me because of you. Let me tell her something, me say me cuss everybody. But I'm so happy you're back and I'm glad you're back with your baby. And now my days and my nights can be better on TikTok. Yeah. Big up yourself.
Alright, so to all of the people I hope you can answer this. Where was she? Where was E-Vany? People are right, just so I go end it. Let me know what you think in the comment section.